Welcome back to another video. My name's Adam. Today we're looking at Ankr, specifically what Ankr is and price prediction moving forward, as well as potential opportunities that I see with the Ankr network and Ankr coins. So this right here is the one-day chart of Ankr. We can see it actually had its lows at around 12 cents before recovering and reaching its highs at around 14.7 cents. And now it's moving back down again. So this is just a brief overview. So we're gonna again go over what Ankr coin is, what its use is, and again, price prediction, short-term and long-term, and the best point to get in via the technicals. And in some recent videos, I've said that I would buy Ankr when it dipped below 12. However, they made this move when I was not available and I was doing other work since I'm a master's student, and I was not able to buy it. And my deposit on Binance hasn't gone through. So I'm going to reassess and then hopefully buy Ankr when it reaches around 12 cents again based on the technicals, okay? Because I am really bullish on this coin. So Ankr originates as a solution that utilizes shared resources in order to provide easy and affordable blockchain node hosting solutions. It was founded in November in 2017, and during its time on the market has built a marketplace for container-based cloud services through the usage of shared resources, so free space, free computing space on networks using the Web3 infrastructure, as well as Ethereum 2.0 staking solutions. So we're going to go over what that is and how you can take advantage of that. And right now it's just over close to $1 billion market cap, and volume has actually decreased in terms of the buying and selling of this token to like 92 million, and that's just 36% down over the past 24 hours. However, trading volume in general has not been very high. So we're going to go over sort of concerns over decreasing popularity of Ankr and what I see if this is an actual potential concern. So one thing I want to say is the deep value of Ankr coin is that, again, the way it works is individuals or businesses can use spare computing power to run the cloud network, and in exchange, they can get access to the cloud. And when you stake with Ankr, you can actually get interest just by basically holding Ankr/Ethereum on their network to basically validate transactions, and you can get interest on it that way. So there's currently, I think, around 2,700 stakers, and we're going to go over some numbers. So this is really huge if you consider companies like Amazon's AWS or Microsoft's Azure. Those networks are worth billions. So this is good for companies because what Ankr is trying to do is create a rival cloud network using the blockchain technology, which is actually more efficient than AWS or Azure. And it also has a lot of appeal to users who prefer to avoid dealing with tech giants in Silicon Valley. So again, we're going to go over what some of these terms mean. So what they're using is Web3. And Web3 basically is a third generation of internet services for websites and applications that will focus on using a machine-based understanding of data to provide a data-driven and semantic web. The ultimate goal of Web3 is to create more intelligent, connected, and open websites. So right now, currently we're running on Web 2.0, but we're transitioning to Web3. At the same time, where the blockchain technology is running on Ethereum, but it's moving towards Ethereum 2.0, and Ethereum 2.0 is an upgrade to the Ethereum network that aims to improve the network security and scalability. This upgrade involves Ethereum shifting their current mining model to a staking model, which I explained earlier is basically when you hold coins on a certain network and you can earn interest on that. And I think part of this reason, the shift to a more efficient Ethereum 2.0 is the reason why Ethereum coin prices have been skyrocketing lately. And again, I think Ankr is in quite a strategic position to take advantage of this. And they have a lot of members on their team that are specialized in sort of this cloud infrastructure, Ethereum 2.0, Web 3.0 type stuff that, again, I'm just starting to understand. Again, I'm going to be honest, I totally don't understand a lot of what's going on, but slowly as I learn more, I'm liking Ankr coin more and more, and that's why I've done quite a bit of videos on it. So basically, staking is Ankr basically provides a decentralized staking services for Ethereum 2.0. And their staking protocol and platform combines staking and decentralized finance, implementing elements from traditional staking with non-custodial management, micro pools, and instant liquidity and decentralized government. So yeah, right now they have close to 2,700 stakers with a total of 48,000 Ethereum staked. And again, they have trusted partners such as Binance, Polkadot. They work with, of course, also on like Bitcoin and stuff like that. So again, it seems pretty secure and pretty legit. And I think that as decentralized finance takes off and applications of blockchain technology are realized, Ankr and Ankr Coin will just take off more and more and more. So again, I do really like Ankr Coin, and I actually had a comment from my first person who became a new channel member, and you can just click on the join button on my channel if you'd like to become a member and support me, to see if I could do a tutorial on how to use Ankr to stake on Ethereum too. And I definitely can do that. I'm just figuring this stuff out as well, so stay tuned for that. That should be coming in maybe a week or two. But again, let's get to the juicy parts on my price prediction and technical analysis. So first, let's go to price prediction. I would say that I could see Ankr Coin. I'll just minimize this here so we can see the trading volume right here. I could see Ankr Coin potentially going to, by the end of June, I could see Ankr Coin being again back up to 22 cents. And I would say that's more conservative. Definitely by the end of summer, I see it surpassing, probably reaching the 30-cent mark. And by the end of the year, I could see it being at maybe 30 to 40, even to 50 cents per coin. Okay, but again, this is just my humble trading approach. This is not financial advice. I am not telling you to buy Ankr Coin. Please do your own research, but that's just my prediction. So let's go into an analysis on when you should buy Ankr Coin. And honestly, I have to say I did miss a pretty good trading opportunity when Ankr Coin dipped to 12.5 cents right here. I said that I would be buying if it dipped to 13/14 cents. So unfortunately, I did miss that opportunity. I'm just busy with my masters and stuff. So again, I'm looking at another opportunity to buy Ankr Coin in. And of course, if I bought it when it was like 12.5 cents, I would have made, again, already a decent return. Okay, but I do not think that is the end, because as you can see here, what we're looking at is Bollinger Bands. This red candle did not even touch the bottom Bollinger Band, which I'll explain in a minute what that is. But basically, I do not think this is the end of the opportunity, and I could see potentially Ankr reaching back down to 12.5 or even below that. And so the reason why I say that is because if you look at here the technical charts, so basically Bollinger Bands are two. There's a higher Bollinger Band, lower Bollinger Band, and it represents two standard deviations above and below the 21-day moving average. And I use this basically as a guideline for a technical analysis on when I should get into Ankr Coin. So here we can see as soon as one of the candles, the whiskers brushed past this lower Bollinger Band when it was like around 12.6 cents, it then bounced up and there was a bullish channel right here, and it bounced all the way to 17.5 cents. And it didn't even touch the upper Bollinger Band, but then it was nearing the upper Bollinger Band, and we can see there was a negative trend right here and a bearish channel. So I mean, here we can see again, it didn't even touch this lower Bollinger Band, and we can already see a positive momentum going on. But because I'm a pretty risk averse trader, which is kind of funny considering that Ankr Coin is a pretty risky asset, I think I would like to wait to see if Ankr Coin can dip again to 12.5 cents. And I don't know if it will. I'm just saying that the technicals look decently good, maybe 50-50 chance that there will be another rebound. Maybe this is like a fake out, and Ankr Coin will go back down to 12.5 cents, and then I'll have my buying opportunity. And I do think patience will pay off. I've learned time and time again when invested in the market that patience really does pay off. And if we're looking at the volume here, so that's for the Bollinger Bands. If you're looking at the volume is really, really low relative to when initially there was a lot of hype with Ankr Coin, and we can see there was a lot of buying pressure, a lot of green volume here, where the volume was like 2.7 billion, right, all the way to the lead up of 22 cents, and then going back down, just less and less volume. Okay, we can see the current volume against 2.7 billion of 123 million, which is represented on the far right of the screen. And we're looking at the relative strength index. This tells you whether a stock or coin is overbought versus oversold. It's sitting at a 40, so neither moving closer to the oversold territory, but neither overbought nor oversold. So that's not really meaningful in our analysis right now. I'm just going to see if we can get this green candle to turn into a red candle and move closer to the lower Bollinger Band. And again, I would say to get in, I would maybe look for Ankr coin being at around a 12.5 cents. 13 cents is a pretty good price too. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to deposit some money in. Again, I'm just going to start small and see how it goes, because I think that's the name of the game. You can't invest anything, especially into Ankr coin, that you're not willing to lose. But I like how this is a coin with a purpose, okay? That's what I really like about this, and that's what I can get behind. So if you're bullish on Ankr coin, or if you're bearish on Ankr coin, let me know down below in the comments. I'd really appreciate if you could just go to my channel, look at, if you can see on YouTube here, hit the thumbs up and subscribe. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers, and once we're at 2,000 subscribers, I really would be interested in doing a live stream, so definitely feel free to check that out. And if you look below in the description here, we'll see that you can join my free Discord in any of the links right here to my Discord. If you're Canadian and you want to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other stocks, you can, again, use my Wealthsimple referral link and get $10, and it's a zero commission trading app. And again, there's some options if you want to see my real-time buys and sells of stocks and stuff like Ankr. But yeah, let me know what you think of the video. I'd appreciate a thumbs up and a subscription if you enjoy the video. Cheers, take care, I love you all, and I will definitely see you in the next video. Peace.